Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Tower cam kind of way up there on our tower outside our studios, able still to see the moon. Beautiful moon. It's pretty low on the horizon though, and it will tend to be setting here in the next half hour or so. But if you happen to have a higher elevation, get a nice shot of that moon through the clouds. 80 degrees our current temperature. We have a dew point value coming in at 74, and that brings us to a relative humidity of a whopping 81%, giving us a feels like temperature of 85 already at this hour. So it's going to be kind of a sticky morning with a 20% chance of a scattered shower, brief shower, nothing really heavy. Thunderstorms probably not during the morning hours, but maybe by around noontime you might pick up one or two thunderstorm pops possibly. Mostly just showery activity. Moving inland in the afternoon, reducing coastal rain chances to about 10% by 3 p.m. But inland, Hardee, DeSoto County, your rain chances will be going up in the afternoon, probably to about 40 or 50%. And then as we head into the evening, maybe a few of those inland showers will work their way back to the coast. We'll put in another 20% chance at around sunset for an isolated shower too. Daytime high about 92 degrees. A couple of showers out in Gulf waters. You probably won't see them from, well, you won't see them from the coastline. The visibility at the coast only about 3 miles out before you hit the horizon. So that lone shower and the other lone showers probably dying out in place before they ever make it to shore. But a few will redevelop as the sea breeze circulation begins to build in the afternoon. A general westerly wind flow as the axis of this high pressure is south of us. As it stays south of us, we get the circulation around the top half of the high pressure ridge. And so we get an onshore flow which favors morning showers close to the coastline, followed by those inland showers in the afternoon as the coast goes quiet. And then later on today, because of the relatively slow motion of the storms, we might see one or two of the storms that build in inland areas kind of work their way back to the coastline and produce a shower or two there. But the rain chance is minimal. As far as our forecast goes for the next several days, it features pretty much the same scenario. Isolated morning showers at the coastline or close to, followed by afternoon showers moving inland while coastal rain chances reduce. And then better weekend rain chances as we get a little trough of low pressure, a little low pressure area kind of moving through the northern part of the state, producing some showers there. And we get a little bit of moisture lifting up from the south, helping to induce a few more showers around. So for the Futurecast today, we'll watch as we head into the lunchtime hour and showers begin to form in inland areas. They'll become more numerous, I think, with time, and some of the storms will produce some fairly heavy rainfall as we head into the later afternoon and early evening. And then possibly a few of those showers may back build toward the coastline as we head into 7 o'clock period or so. Now, looking ahead, there's some interesting things. This is precipitable water, the amount of water in the atmosphere available to create rain. In this graphic, redder is wetter. So if you see really bright red contours, that shows a possibility of some heavier rain showers and more widespread rain showers. So we'll put it into motion. You'll notice this kind of humid air beginning to increase across the state of Florida as we head into the weekend. That's because of this little low pressure area that'll be scooting across the northern part of the state and moisture lifting up from the south. Then, as we head into next week, we'll probably see a bit of a wind reversal, so the winds will be coming out of the east instead of the west as they are for the next several days, and some drier air will start to filter in, so hopefully in time for the 4th of July, we'll see fewer showers around. But the flip side of that coin is that with that easterly wind flow, it'll tend to focus the showers over on our coast as opposed to the east coast, so there'll be more shower. Even though there are fewer showers around, there'll be a better chance of rainfall near the coast than there will be in inland areas during the evening hours. We'll see how it plays out. West wind coming in at about 10 knots today. Should be a pretty nice day for boating with a light chop and 2-foot seas, and the forecast for the 7 days ahead features a couple of days of warm temperatures, about a 40% chance of showers, maximizing near the coast around lunch, then moving inland. Over the weekend, slightly better rain chances, but the same sort of pattern. And then as we head into next week, we get that wind shift once again, forcing a lot of the rain shower chances closer to the coast. But with that drier air in place, we might reduce the rain chance to about 30%. So fewer storms, but closer to the coast.